Morning, folks. I'm out here doing a little riding around. I wanted to show you a historic structure here. That's Addington Mill. Now, it's been around for a long time. I'm not sure the history of it, but I'll tell you what, the owners apparently like keeping it up. And apparently they live in this big old house where this big white dog is barking at me. Yeah, pretty dog. Wow. This is historic 441. Just south of Franklin. This is the old road. And I just wanted to show you those chimneys over there. Look at that house. Let's look at that dog. Hello. They kind of like to keep the wagon out there, I guess. That's pretty neat. Isn't that a pretty dog? Wow. I wonder what kind he is. Can you tell me? We're in the Blue Ridge Mountains, western North Carolina. It's the tail end of winter. This dog doesn't like me interrupting his business. More modern parts. Yep, this is the road we came to North Carolina on. Visit my folks. First came up here before they built the main 441 that's now over by those mountains. Beautiful afternoon. I wish, actually morning, actually it's probably afternoon by now. I'm not sure. Let's see. Well, let me just check. Yeah, 12:02. Really pretty out. Little breeze. It's probably about 60 degrees, you think? Maybe. Have no idea really. Let's go out there and take a little wider look. We'll go up here where my car is. Say hello to Charlie, because he's probably patiently waiting for me to come back. Such a pretty day. Just had to go out here and get a few shots. Hey Charlie, are you still there? Hey Charlie. Yeah, he's there. Are you ready to go? Okay.